Hey guys, tonight we are picking a Bulgarian lock. It's one lock called metal or metal, however you want to call it. It's a massive lock, it's really heavy. And for comparison, that's an Abus Italian 50mm, so you can see it's really big. It's a dimple lock, a 5-pinner. The shackle removes completely and there's a bar that you turn physically with the key, no spring tension, so you can't really shim this lock. That's the bidding. So let's see if we can pick it in a reasonable amount of time. There's enough space, the keyway is huge, you can drive a truck through it. One picker from Bulgaria, his YouTube ID, if you're interested, is Lockpicking Bulgaria. He has the same type of lock, so if you're interested, he picks it in, I do believe it was something about a minute or less. But since I'm not really that good with dimple locks, it takes me a while. I have a multi-lock that I want to pick anytime soon. My pick got stuck. Okay, let's try again. So this was 1, 2 is springy, 3 seems like it's giving, 4, 5 not, so 1, okay, 2 maybe, no. 3 seems to be set, 4 seems to be in place, and that's number 5. Okay. Let's dance on the pins. See what's holding. I believe it should be already open. I think we lost everything. Let's reset and try again. Okay, that's number 3, number 4. So number 3 is our first pin that much I can tell you. It's the first one that begs to be picked. That was 5, 3. That was 1. That's 2. I believe that was 4, either 4 or 5. That's 5. No, that should be 4 then. Okay, we overset something. And okay, open. Good, that was it. So, let me quickly show you what's inside. Unfortunately, I have not found a way to gut it. Which is a pity, because with some modification of the pins that would make an excellent lock. So, that's the housing. Very wide. That's the bar I was telling you about. So this thing locks on the shackle like that, or the other way, and you can't remove it. That's the core. So you can see it's open, but I have no idea how to get it so that we can actually see the pins. If anybody has an idea, please be so kind, contact me on a personal message or leave it in the comments, because I'd love to see the insides of this thing. As you can see, it's not movable, and here I also have no idea. So here is my time. If you have ideas, please let me know. Good. Thanks for your time. Stay safe and stay legal. Cheers, mates.